Keep a pan on low heat and add the sesame seeds. Dry roast the seeds until they start to crackle and change slightly in color. The sesame seeds have started to crackle and have changed slightly in color. Remove to a plate. Let them cool down completely. Spread the seeds and keep the plate aside. While the sesame seeds are cooling down, grind the cashews and the poppy seeds. We have taken 50 grams of poppy seeds and 100 grams of cashews. Grind them coarsely. The cashew nuts and the poppy seeds have been ground coarsely. Transfer to a bowl. Keep the bowl aside. Now coarsely grind the roasted sesame seeds. Transfer the coarsely ground sesame seeds to another bowl. Let us now start making the Til Bugga. Keep a pan on low heat and add 70 grams of clarified butter. Let the clarified butter heat up. The clarified butter is hot. Add 250 grams of mawa. Melt the mawa and stir roast it until it turns light brown. The mawa has melted completely. Stir roast it until it turns light brown in color. The mawa has turned light brown in color. Add 250 grams of boora cheeni. You can use ground sugar or cane sugar instead of boora cheeni. Stir cook for about 2 minutes and add cardamom powder as well. This is half a teaspoon. After 2 minutes, add the coarsely ground cashews, poppy seeds and sesame seeds. Mix well and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 50 grams of chopped almonds. Mix them well. After adding the almonds, we have cooked the mixture for 2 minutes. It has started to thicken up. Now put off the gas and add 25 grams of raisins. Stir well again. Remove the pan. Transfer the mixture to a plate which has been greased with clarified butter. The mixture will be firmly set once it cools down completely. Sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds over the mixture. And some split cashew nuts. Some chopped almonds as well. Lightly press the chopped nuts. Our Til Bugga is ready. Once it cools down completely, you can cut it into small pieces. This Til Bugga is a traditional North Indian sweet. It is a winter sweet dish which is prepared especially on the festival of Lohri. It is a creamy and delicious sweet, so do try it and give us your feedback. Thanks for watching.